Our equation is to find the 6 trigonometric functions of a triangle. Here's our triangle, and we have the sides 3 and 4. In order to find the other side, we do the Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And then we plug in our sides, 4 for a and 3 for b. You can go either way in order to find c. 4 squared is 16, and 3 squared is 9, which is 25. And you square root both sides in order to find the side, which is c, which is 5. Next, we figure out what sides are correspondent to the angle. The side that's farthest from the angle is the opposite, and the side that's shorter and touching the angle is the adjacent, and the longest side is always the hypotenuse.
So now that we have all our sides, we can plug them into our acronym SOHCAHTOA, meaning sine is opposite, which would be 3, over hypotenuse over 5. Cosine, meaning adjacent, which would be 4, over hypotenuse 5. Tangent would be opposite, 3, over adjacent 4.
Okay, so you see that we have our first 3 trigonometric functions. Now we need to find the additional 3, which are the opposites of these already previously given functions. So to find the opposite, we're basically going to write that as 1 over the previous function. So 1 over sine, 1 over cosine, and 1 over tangent. This essentially just flips our equation in our formula before, so this will now turn to hypotenuse over opposite, cosine will turn to hypotenuse over adjacent, tangent will turn into adjacent over opposite. And now we'll plug these into our flip our previous equations to find the numbers. So 5 over 3, 5 over 4, and 4 over 3. And these new equations have additional names since they are the opposites. And the opposite of sine is going to be cosecant. The opposite of cosine will be secant. And the opposite of tangent will be cotangent. And that's how you find all 6 trigonometric functions from a triangle.